In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Pipedrive. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to optimize your workflow, mastering this process is going to be incredibly beneficial. Let's get started right away. First, you need to head over to the Pipedrive website. This is where you can manage your sales CRM and pipeline. You'll find all the tools you need to streamline your communication and sales process right here. So, open up your preferred browser and navigate to the Pipedrive homepage. Once you're there, click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you need to enter your account credentials. If you haven't already signed up, you'll want to do that first. For returning users, just use your email and password to access your account. Remember, keeping your login details secure is key. With access to your Pipedrive account, go directly to the Pipedrive home. This is your dashboard, your central hub, where the magic happens. From here, you can access all the features that Pipedrive offers, including the ability to create email templates. Now, it's time to navigate to the Composer within the Sales inbox. The Composer is Pipedrive's email center, where you'll be managing all your communications. You can get to the Sales inbox by following the appropriate link or simply locating it in your dashboard. Once inside, you'll find all your emails organized for ease of access. Proceed by clicking on the Sales inbox. This will allow you to check your messages and, more importantly, start crafting those templates. Here's a tip. You can categorize and sort your emails in a way that corresponds to your sales process, making it easier to manage correspondence with different clients. Next, you want to select New Email. This opens up a new draft, and it's here that you'll be laying down the framework for your new template. Think of the template as a blueprint for future communications. Craft your email's body, subject, and any other elements that you want to standardize for repetitive use. Once you have your new email draft open, click on Choose Template. This particular option allows you to select from existing templates or gives you the opportunity to save your current draft as a new template. Utilizing templates will save you countless hours in the future and can ensure consistency in the messages you send to clients or prospects. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to create efficient email templates within Pipedrive. This process not only makes your sales interactions more professional, but also significantly speeds up your workflow. Practice these steps regularly, and they'll become second nature, ensuring you maximize Pipedrive's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy templating!